everybody, and thank you for tuning in to my video. If this is your first time here, my name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today we will be layering some permanent vinyl onto this Starbucks cup. I've been wanting to do this for a while now, so I'm just going to give you all an example as to what you all can do and to like give as a gift. So all of these items that I will be putting in the cup is mine, but I will be showing you all how I layer my vinyl. So I have cut out a Tweety Bird image, and I also cut out just the letter T that'll go on the opposite end. So the Tweety Bird will go on this side and the letter T, but layered multiple times with 5 different colors will go on this side, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do, of course, is we're gonna take our main piece, which is the black. And I usually will weed this out and then have like my my transfer sheet, but I think I'm just going to peel these off like a sticker. Okay, so I have all of my pieces weeded out, and now I'm going to start layering them. I'm going to start with the yellow first, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab the next layer, which will be white, and I'm going to lay that right on top of the yellow. Okay, so our T is completed. All 5 pieces are connected. And now we are going to work on the main body, which we're going to start off with our black first. Place that down. And then we're going to start layering on top, okay? Next thing I'm going to work with is the yellow. So I'm just pulling out each piece and placing it exactly where it belongs. And then some pieces did cut off, and it wasn't like all together, so you can see like this really small piece. So it didn't cut all together, so I have to place that on separately, but that's fine. Go ahead and place it, but just make sure that you have some transfer tape so you can make this much quicker. Okay, so all of my layers have been completed, and now we can go ahead and apply it to our cup. So I'm just gonna place this down really quick, just so my cup won't shift. Okay. And it doesn't matter which one you lay on either side. So I'm just gonna take them all at one time and pull it up like a sticker. And this is permanent vinyl. So I'm going to place it about here. Yeah. Then I am going to apply it to the cup. I'm going to repeat the same steps with this. I'm going to go ahead and just scrape it down. Hey guys, so here is the final reveal. Not bad for me to just pull it on without actually weeding everything with my tools like I usually would, or my scraper. So still turned out pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to move all of this out of the way, and then we're going to go ahead and include our items. So this is just some random things that I already had of mine. And I'm just going to put it in the cup. So this would be like a little cute little gift that you can give. You got some hand sanitizer, some lip gloss, and we're going to throw a little candy in there. Like so. Place our lid on. And then I have like this little candy cane piece here. We can make it a little bit more festive, Christmassy. So I'm just gonna place that down in there. And here we go. Let me know what you guys think. This is really cute. I love the way this turned out. I'm probably gonna be drinking out of this cup every day. But this is really cute, easy and simple. Again, another gift for Christmas. And that is all, guys. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned because we do have plenty more videos coming soon.